Okay, all the rows got loaded. Now let us see the data set. Okay, so this is the ID of those players as FIFA ID, and this is the players URL. Their page will be there. Their name, short name, long name, the player's position, overall potential. A lot of things are there. I'm not that much familiar to these terms. You may be already knowing all those. Okay, so here. This is the player face URL. This is the image of them. Okay, and this is the club flag URL. Like that, some URL is there, some images are there. If you want that images in your table, then how you can do it? That is the next thing that I'm going to show. So let us take a table. Okay. Not required. We can choose the variables and we can make the table itself. Like I am taking this, first of all, we need the player's name, right? So players, what was the variable? Short name. We will take the short name and the image, their country flag, and some more data also. Okay. So I'm taking this short name over here. Automatically table is getting selected, right? Now let us take some extra data like player face URL. Okay. And nationality name. Okay. Nation logo URL or flag URL also we can take. Nation flag URL. Right. And any other variable that you are interested? All of you? Any other variable that you are really interested to know? I mean about the player?
Body type.
Body type. Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, club name.
Club name.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how data is arranged. Now, if you want those images in the table, how to do it? That is the next question. Okay. For that, there is an option called image URL that you can actually get when you will go to data. This data drill is there. Okay. No, sorry, not in data drill. First of all, after getting the images, you have to go to this format and sorry, I forgot about it. Wait a second. Let me recollect it. Okay, first of all, you have to go to this data view. Okay, and whichever URL you have selected in the table, right? Whatever face URL and this nation flag URL, right? So you have to select that particular URL. Okay, this was that particular column. Okay. Now in this particular column, there is an option called data category. It is uncategorized actually. When you will convert it into URL, image URL. Okay. This one is under image URL, right? And regarding the not club face, nation flag URL. This was the other variable that we have taken. That also is in uncategorized format. So you select that one and choose this image URL. Okay. Now they both are having image URL. When you will go to the table, you can see the images of the players and the flags are appearing in the table. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to wind up the session. It is 5 o'clock right now. Is it up to this everything is clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Can you please share the data of the FIFA and the crypto?
Yeah.
crypto
Yes.
data?
Sure.
and the
Okay, ma'am,
recording
thank you.
also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you check my tasks?
I will share the FIFA World Cup data. Can you all please prepare a dashboard out of it and we can discuss it tomorrow. That
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
you found.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, madam. We will try.
Okay. So I will share this
Ma'am.
data set in your groups. Okay. So all of you try tomorrow. You have to present it, right?
Ma'am, what all charts we
Sure.
have to include that in that dashboard?
Yeah. Whatever you see, lot of variables are there. Okay, you can find out your own insight, what you are getting out of it regarding the players and all. Okay,
Sure, ma'am.
you're free to
Okay.
do whatever analysis you want. Just try it. I will share this FIFA 2022 dataset with you. Actually, it was released some months ago in Kaggle. Okay, so all of you please try and make a dashboard out of it. And tomorrow, you all of you
Okay,
please
ma'am.
display it in during the session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay then, all of you. Thank you so much for attending
Ma'am,
class. Yeah,
can you check tasks?
not right now. It it is class time now. In status code, you please tell
Okay.
me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye all. That conditional formatting I will check once again and I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Bye all.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay.